Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to send USDT from Bybit to Binance. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit and log into your Bybit account. So once I've logged into your Bybit account, go to your assets and click on the withdraw option. So click on the withdraw option and it will open up your withdraw page here. So when you get to this page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to select USDT here because we're going to send USDT. So select USDT and then here on chain withdrawal, type in the wallet address of your Binance account, so whatever your Binance receiving account, so just type that in, and then once you're done with that, then choose the appropriate chain type. So then whatever the network type is, for example TRC20, so just select that, and then here is your amount, so the amount that you wish to send, so just type that in. Okay, so type that in, and once that's done, all you have to do is now hit on confirm, and then it will take you to your review page where you just review all the details that you entered and then complete the transaction. So that's how you send from Bybit to your Binance account. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.